खुश रहो बिटिया. Today is topic is obstetric lung disease. Learning a lung disease characterized by chronic obstruction of lung airflow that interferes with normal breathing and is not fully reversible. Airflow obstruction and emphysema of bronchitis, thickening of valve, deposition of the lumens, chronic bronchitis and fibrosis. Emphysema. Definition of emphysema: abnormal permanent enlargement of the air space distal to the terminal bronchioles, accompanied by destruction of their valve without significant fibrosis. Etiology of emphysema: tobacco smoke, marijuana smoke, air pollution, manufacturing firms, alpha 1 antitrypsin deficiency. Type of emphysema: centriolobar emphysema, panlobar emphysema, paraseptal emphysema, irregular emphysema. Most common: 20% of centrilobar emphysema, central or proximal part of the acini formed by respiratory bronchioles are affected with distal alveoli are separate. Severe type of affected the distal alveoli as well, seen in cigarette or smoker. Panlobar emphysema, low lung zone. Acne are uniformly enlarged from the level of the respiratory bronchiole to the terminal blind alveoli, usually seen in alpha 1 antitrypsin deficiency. Distal acinar, yani paraseptal emphysema. The proximal portion of the acnes is normal, but the distal part is primarily involved. Unknown cause: spontaneous pneumothorax in young adult, characteristic finding multiple contagion and large airspace ranging in diameter from greater than 0.5 mm to less than 2.0 cm, sometimes forming cystic structure that with progressive enlargement are referred to as bullae. Irregular emphysema: acnes is irregularly involved with almost invariably associated with scarring, clinically asymptomatic. Morphology of emphysema: gross, pansinar emphysema, pale, voluminous lungs that often obscure the heart when the anterior chest wall is removed at otoscopy. Centra-acinal emphysema: the lungs are deeper pink than in pansinar emphysema and less voluminous. Macroscopic destruction of alveoli valve without fibrosis, leading to enlarged air space. The number of alveolar capillary is diminished. Clinical feature of emphysema: dyspnea, barrel chest, prolonged expiration, sitting forward in the hunched over position, attempting to squeeze the air out the lung with each expiratory effort. Dyspnea and hyperventilation. Pink puffers. Secondary pulmonary hypertension develop gradually. Complication of emphysema: pulmonary failure with respiratory acidosis, hypoxia, coma, right-sided heart failure. Condition related to emphysema: compensatory emphysema, obstructive over-inflammation, bullous emphysema, mediastinal emphysema. Thank you.